All right, we're back, and I am going to give an update on this awesome AI influencer opportunity where you can actually be completely faceless, start an AI influencer account, grow that account, and then monetize the account by selling shoutouts or creating posts to affiliate products, links. You can start generating leads, email leads, whatever. And I'm going through the process and doing this case study and showing you kind of the progress of what we're doing. So where we left off last time was here were the influencers. So if we go look at like our influencers, we have 5 of them. But what I want to show you is we've created an Instagram account for this one and this one. And I'm going to show you those Instagram accounts. And we're doing nothing but posting and interacting with accounts to start getting followers. We've mainly focused on this Lila one, and we literally just started it, and we've already gotten, I think, like 40 followers. So here's the Instagram account we started, and we've already gained 40 followers on it. And this is going to be like the fashion niche, probably clothing, things like that. We'll affiliate to maybe Amazon products at first. But we could build an email list off of this. We could even go into like health wellness, which is what we will be doing on this one. This one's going to be a health and wellness type of account, and we've uploaded just a few posts so far. And this one we haven't gotten many followers yet, but we haven't started following anybody or interacting with it yet. We're just getting some posts up here first. But what I'm going to do and kind of what I want to show you is like the next step of this is to actually create like a link in bio type post or type link so that when people start seeing these accounts and viewing this, and we do some sort of call to action where we're like, hey, go get our free whatever, they will be able to log in or to opt in to whatever it is we're giving away for free. And then we will have them on an email list where we can promote if we want clickbait products or affiliate to whatever we come up with that we want to start using to monetize this. So a lot of times, like with TikTok, they use this stand store, and I had it up here. I want to show you guys stand store. So if you say stand store, you can actually look at the pricing of this. I think it's like 27 or for the basic, but if you want to actually sell from this platform, so it's 29 bucks, but I'm pretty sure there's like an upgrade, and the one you need to actually sell and do everything on the platform is like a $97. I want to show you guys, like, if you use a stand store, you may want to switch to System.io. So there'll be a link in the description where you can get a free account. It's not a free trial. It is a free account. And they have a new digital stores feature where you can actually build out. So like, let's look at this. If we edit design, check this out. These are templates that you can import into your funnel right here. And these are going to be exactly what this stand store, look at these, here's examples of the stand store, what you get with this. System.io now offers that exact same thing and feature, and you can do this 100% for free. System.io has a great account to where like you can build one funnel. You can have up to like, I think 2,000 contacts before you even have to pay. And then their lowest plan is $27 a month. And then you can upgrade as you grow, but you can literally use System.io for free until you hit the limits and you've outgrown the plan, which is awesome. So it will save you having to pay a monthly fee until you build your business, which if you're building followers in a business and an email list, by the time you get to 2,000 emails, you should be making money. And so I'm actually going to be creating one, obviously, for me. But then what I'm also going to do is this week, which probably will be maybe on my next video update, I will show you guys, I'm going to create this so that we can put the link in here and we can link. We'll probably create TikToks. We're going to do different things to start getting real followers to these accounts so that we can start building a list and show you how that process works. And then once you have these people on an email list, how you would take that and monetize it, turn it into actual like money in your account. So with this account over here, This is probably the first one I will do because this is the one we're going to end up focusing on, because we're going to go into like the health and wellness type niche, and we're going to build an email list based on this. People will opt in for some sort of free checklist or health fitness workout, whatever they do, but then we are going to sell them because ClickBank offers like Java Burn, or there's a couple different like physical products that they sell that you could affiliate to, and you make money every time a purchase is done. And those are the types of products we're going to use on here. And then once we build an audience and we've built these up, what we're going to do is sell shoutouts or posts. And I'll put a link to this in the description too, but like if you guys have heard of Shoutcart, that is also. So if you build these influencers up, check this out. You can actually get shoutouts from influencers that have followers. So if we build these up, so we have 2 accounts right here, if we get even 10,000 followers on there, we can actually come in here and sell shoutouts to these people, to people who want to buy. So if we're in the health and fitness niche and someone comes in here and says, hey, I want you to promote my product, if you have, and it depends on how many followers you get. Obviously, the bigger following and the more engagement you have, the more you can charge. But you could simply say, hey, for $50, I've got 10,000 followers, my engagement's pretty good. We will do a couple posts and a story for you promoting your product, and then you can link them in your bio. That is a very typical process for monetizing your following. And you could come over here and list your account, and this allows people to come in here and find you to buy a shout out from you, and you can start monetizing posts, and that's just an easy form of monetization. And then with accounts like this, so you could have these AI influencers. All of this was done with this software over here. So you can see like all of these pictures that we've created for this account were all created with AI and prompting. So we can literally tell it, we could go find an outfit that looked like this on Amazon, and we can link these Amazon products. We could have like an Amazon hot list or something like that in our link on our store. And we can link to something where as soon as somebody clicks it, if they were to purchase something, we get paid for that. And that's kind of how you monetize a lot of these accounts. So these will be the 2 that we will be monetizing, obviously, in the next couple of weeks, couple months, whatever. We're going to see how big we can get them, and then how soon we can actually say, like, hey, we just made our first dollar. And I will be showing all of that, the process, things like that. If you're interested in content like this and building these out, I actually have a group of people over here in this accelerator group. It's completely free. I do free trainings on Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. If you'd like to join this group and get on those calls and start building some of these things out, I help guide people. And basically, if you go through the process of building, an AI influencer, you get a following. I actually have a list with one of my social media websites of like 27,000 customers, like clients of ours who are looking for shout outs and things like that, to where I can send an email that says, hey, we have this AI influencer, here's their stats. If you would like to buy a shout out, if you would like to buy a sponsored post, something like that, here is what we would charge, and then I will pay you to do those posts for us. So that's going to be an opportunity down the road as people build this out and follow this training. So if that interests you at all, come over to this. All the links I'm talking about will be in the description below, as well as access to this software. But all of that will be accessible to you if you'd like to join us on Wednesdays, and then watch how these kind of grow out. So it's going to be interesting. We're doing pretty good. I mean, we literally have only had this account up a couple days, and we're already starting to get a following. And that's kind of the goal, is we want to show you how to do that. If you want to build a faceless AI influencer, this would be the way to do it. So with that, like, subscribe, comment, And join us on Wednesdays. We have a fun, and there's not like hundreds of people in or on the Wednesday call, so I'm able to answer questions and help people with whatever business it is you're building out. And if you already have a business and you're established, you can actually start building an avatar out, an AI influencer, that for the purpose of building that up so that you can promote your own business, your own website, your own products, your own affiliate links. That's the whole purpose of this. And then that's just another way that you can monetize everything you're doing. So, and if you missed the last video I did, then I will link that in probably either I'll probably have it showing on watch this next, but that will be the video that I did on this software right here, and I showed people how we're using this and what we're doing to create all of these influencers. So like all of these are going to be accounts that we eventually grow out, and they're all going to be in different niches. But that video will be up next on wherever the screen is, up either the left or the right corner. But anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Subscribe, comment, I try and answer everything. Join our Facebook group, and we'll see you guys on the next video.